let me give you a little walk around. So you can see my beautiful work here on the chainstay, polished naked steel, my polished fork, the lugs not polished. I apologize for the person who gave me a thumbs down for not polishing these parts. I just think they are more homogeneous in the similar color as the bike frame, and trust me, polishing rusty bits of steel is massively labor intensive. So you've mainly seen there's a lot of stuff that is chrome already, wants to be chrome. So yeah, shiny where shiny is okay, but this was just too much. So that concludes this. I think I'm going for a brake lever soon. Let me show you what I have prepared. I'm going with this Shimano LX brake lever simply because it's an excentra, so you can set more cable pull for you walk back. And since we're here, parts and the weight, cable width extenders, look at what I found here. These are super ancient Italian cables, but they're a bit flimsy, so I'm not sure whether this will work. That'll make another story. Anyway, let's go for this here. I'm also going to put bar ends, not at the end, but somewhere here, after I positioned the, obviously start from the outside, grip, brake lever, reachable of the brake lever, and then it comes as far outboard as possible. And I will cover these with red bar wrap. So that's a wrap. See you later.